AstroAI is going to go ahead and get us out of many troubles. This right here is your jump starter. It is also a flashlight. It is also your air compressor. This thing comes in a bag, a big digital display where you can go ahead and preset for basketballs, motorcycles, and on the side you also have your jump starter connection, the flashlight on the top, and you can go ahead and charge your phone. These are the cables that come inside of the bag, and the air compressor holds lips on the back, so that way when you're done checking your air tires, you can go ahead and just place it on the back, so that way you never lose it. This thing is pretty cool, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep it inside of my car. Of course, this has saved me from many dead car batteries, and also is ready for the next one. So if this is something that you need, go ahead and check it out.